Hello everybody, Happy New Year. And to be honest, I said today was going to be my no car day. I wasn't going to look at any, I wasn't going to work on any. It was going to be a day without vehicles. I was going to chill out because I worked yesterday and I'm working tomorrow.
What the hell is wrong with you?
I'm in the Shogun Sport. I'm actually heading down to help a mate with a van. I think key's not being recognised by it, so I'm going to have a quick look at that, see if I can help him. As you can see above me, the tyres are still on the roof. My plans were originally today to move them off, but I'm going to go help a mate quickly first. I'm going to bring the truck back, move them off, and then also put this thing at the back of the driveway because the fuel filling neck has actually started to rot and leak, so this one's going off the road till I get a new one of them. The parts arrived. I'm going to be moving my Beamer behind me into the front because that's going to be my daily for the time being. Yeah. So the problem with the van was a key fault, so something I couldn't do nothing with. All sorted. So as you can hear behind me, the course has started. I've just been in there to fetch a battery to put on charge for one of my mates because his missus' car's has just broken down. I thought I'd take this opportunity just to show you something. In the back of the Corsa, excuse the state of this thing, it's become a bit of a shed recently. I am going to get round to looking at it, but here are the Insta turbos which are going on those wheels that I've just taken off the truck roof. So second hand, but they still got a fair bit of tread on them, good and better than road tyres. And this thing, I mean, it's running, but it's not running very happily, but it needs a good service, I think. But I like to run it at least once a month to make sure the oil gets around the engine, make sure nothing seizes up. Normally I'd say you need to charge your car, start your car once a week for at least 15 minutes a week, but the reason I do it once a month on this one is this quite cool battery maintainer thing I've got on the dashboard. This, you can see the LEDs blinking, it's connected up to the battery. And to be fair, it does seem to last for quite a while, so about once a month I like to give it a start and a run just to make sure it all heats up, make sure the oil's still flowing and that the battery gets a good charge off the alternator as well. I just wanted to show you something that shows how rusty the exhaust is on this thing. I just give it a rev out. You can see the rust dust on there. I think I accidentally caught the side of the truck a little bit. Yeah, this thing needs a whole new exhaust system. Hello, Morgs has joined me now for this part. Yeah, now we're inside my Beamer, hence why it's all really lit up in here, because I've turned these on. But yeah, we're on our way now to have a look at my mate Chris's Honda Accord with the, it keeps blowing headlight bulbs. Yeah, I've run the Corsa up, got the battery out on charge as well, I've taken the battery out, so we're going to go do the Accord. And then we've just been to a petrol station to fill this one up, but realised that the brakes in my car aren't working properly as well. The handbrake is sticking on, which is fantastic. And also after this we're going to go and put a battery on Morgs' missus' car because that one is duff. So yeah, this is not touching cars day.
Going well.
Oh, definitely. Ooh. That one's all done now. All the lights are working except for one, but we didn't have a bulb for it. So it's really sparkly in here because of that light. Let's try it there. That's a bit better. But yeah, we're heading down to fit a battery to Morgs' car now, so, or Morgs' missus' car. Yeah. So yeah, and then hopefully that will be the end of not touching cars today. And yeah. Alright, here we are. That Chevy Spark LT is all done and dusted. That's up and running. It's all really good. So yeah, that's us done for the day. Although my Beamer here, the rear handbrake has collapsed, so when you're driving down the road it sounds like a bucket of bolts in the back on the passenger side and you're getting the odd crunch. So this one is going to be sat there on the drive now once I get it home, until I can fix that on my next day off. And of course the truck with its fuel filler neck problem, that one is kind of off the road as well, so we're a bit stuck at the minute. But that's my day of not doing anything to do with cars done.
Cars are fun.
Yeah.